Hello, good morning students. Today we will discuss one important chapter, trigonometric equations. Now first we will go to the synopsis. First point, the general solution of sin theta equal to sin alpha is theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha. Second point, the general solution of cos theta equal to cos alpha is theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Third point, the general solution of tan theta equal to tan alpha is theta equal to n pi plus alpha. Fourth one, the general solution of sin theta equal to 0 is theta equal to n pi. Fifth point, the general solution of tan theta equal to 0 is theta equal to n pi. Sixth point, the general solution of cos theta equal to 0 is theta equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Seventh point, if sin square theta equal to sin square alpha, cos square theta equal to cos square alpha, sin tan square theta equal to tan square alpha, then theta equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Eighth point, if sin theta equal to k1, cos theta equal to k2, then common solution of these two equations is theta equal to 2n pi plus alpha. Now these are the synopsis. Now we'll go to the questions. Question number 1. The value of theta 0 is less than theta is less than 360 degrees, satisfying cosecant theta plus 2 equal to 0 or. See here, they are given equation is cosecant theta plus 2 equal to 0. Cosecant theta equal to minus 2. Sin theta equal to minus 1 by 2. So theta equal to sin negative in third and fourth quadrant. 1 by 2 value is sin 30 degrees. So in third quadrant 180 plus 30 and fourth quadrant 360 minus 30 equal to 210 degrees comma 330 degrees. So option 2 is the correct answer. Question number 2. If 3 into tan theta minus 15 degrees equal to tan theta plus 15 degrees, 0 is less than theta is less than pi, then theta is equal to, see here by observations here 0 is less than theta is less than pi. So first and second option both are wrong. Then remaining two options are there, third option and fourth option. Now I am substituting theta equal to pi by 4. If theta equal to pi by 4, 3 into tan 45 minus 15, 30 degrees equal to tan 45 plus 15, 60 degrees equal to 3 into 1 by root 3 equal to root 3. Root 3 equal to root 3. So the equation is satisfied. So theta equal to pi by 4. Option 4 is the correct answer. Question number 3. The smallest value of theta satisfying the equation root 3 into tan theta plus cot theta equal to 4. See here this equation you can write tan theta plus cot theta equal to 4 by root 3. So it is you can write 1 by root 3 plus root 3. 1 by root 3 plus root 3 value is 4 by root 3. See here, observe here you can write root 3 plus 1 by root 3 also. But when you are taking theta value, pi by 3 will come. It is not least value. So it is now tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. So it is theta equal to pi by 6. So option 2 is the correct answer. Question number 4. If cos theta minus sin theta equal to 1, then theta equal to. So this problem we will go through option verification. First option is take theta value is pi. So it is cos pi minus sin pi. Cos pi value is minus 1 minus sin pi value is 0. So first option is wrong. Next, second option. Theta equal to it is pi by 6. Cos pi by 6 minus sin pi by 6. Cos pi by 6 value is root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So it is not equal to 1. Second option is also wrong. Next, third option. 2 pi by 3. Cos 2 pi by 3 minus sin 2 pi by 3. Cos 2 pi by 3 value is minus 1 by 2 minus sin 2 pi by 3 value is root 3 by 2. So this is also wrong. So fourth option. Now it is 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2 minus sin 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2 is 0 minus sin 3 pi by 2 value is minus 1 equal to 1. So by option verification, fourth option is the correct answer. Question number 5. If tan theta plus secant theta equal to root 3, then the principal value of theta plus pi by 6. So this problem I am verifying from options. First option pi by 3. See here, theta plus pi by 6 is pi by 3. From that, theta equal to pi by 6. Substitute theta equal to pi by 6. Tan pi by 6 plus secant pi by 6 equal to tan pi by 6 value is 1 by root 3. Secant pi by 6 value is 2 by root 3. It is 3 by root 3 root 3. So it is satisfied. So option 1 is the correct answer. Question number 6. If sin theta plus cosecant theta equal to 5 by 2, then the general solution of theta is. See here, we can write this sin theta plus cosecant theta value 1 by sin theta equal to 1 by 2 plus 2. We can write. We cannot write 2 plus 1 by 2. Why it is there? Sin maximum value is 1. So it is sin theta equal to 1 by 2. So it is sin theta equal to sin pi by 6. Now the general solution of sin theta equal to sin alpha is theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha. So here n pi plus minus 1 power n into pi by 6. So option 4 is the correct answer. Question number 7. Solution of sin 3 theta equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4 is. Here sin 3 theta equal to sin, it is sin 54 equal to sin 3 pi by 10. So the general solution of sin theta equal to sin alpha is theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha. Here theta is 3 theta, alpha is 3 pi by 10. Now divide with 3. Theta equal to n pi by 3 plus minus 1 power n into pi by 10. So option 1 is the correct answer. Number 8. The general solution of tan 3x equal to 1 is. Here tan 3x equal to 1 value tan pi by 4. Now see here, the general solution of tan theta equal to tan alpha is theta equal to n pi plus alpha. So here theta equal to 3x equal to n pi plus alpha value is pi by 4. So x equal to n pi by 3 plus pi by 12. So option 4 is the correct answer. Question number 9. The set of values of x for which tan 3x minus tan 2x by 1 plus tan 3x into tan 2x equal to 1 is. See here, it is in the form of tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Tan a minus b formula, it is tan 3x minus 2x equal to 1. Tan x equal to 1, that implies x equal to pi by 4. If I substitute in this equation x equal to pi by 4, it is tan pi by 2 here, here also tan pi by 2. Indeterminate form. So there is no solution. So first option is the correct answer. Question number 10. The general solution of theta satisfying the equation tan theta plus tan 2 theta plus root 3 into tan theta tan 2 theta equal to root 3 is. See here, tan theta plus tan 2 theta equal to root 3 minus root 3 into tan theta tan 2 theta. Here take root 3 common. Root 3 into 1 minus tan theta tan 2 theta. Now it is tan theta plus tan 2 theta by 1 minus tan theta into tan 2 theta equal to root 3. It is tan a plus b form, tan theta plus 2 theta equal to root 3. Tan 3 theta equal to tan pi by 3. Now the general solution of tan theta equal to tan alpha is theta equal to n pi plus alpha. So it is 3 theta equal to n pi plus pi by 3. Theta equal to n pi by 3 plus pi by 9. If I take the LCM 9, 3n pi plus pi equal to 3n plus 1 into pi by 9. So option 4 is the correct answer. Question number 11. The general solution of tan theta plus tan 4 theta plus tan 7 theta equal to tan theta into tan 4 theta into tan 7 theta is. See here we have one formula. If a plus b plus equal to pi, then tan A plus tan B plus tan C equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. Now from that we can write theta plus 4 theta plus 7 theta equal to here pi. Here means general solution means we are taking n pi. So it is 12 theta equal to n pi. Theta equal to n pi by 12. So option 4 is the correct answer. Question number 12. If sin square theta minus 2 cos theta plus 1 by 4 equal to 0, then the general value of theta is sin square theta value we are writing in terms of cos square. 1 minus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta plus 1 by 4 equal to 0. Take LCM. 4 minus 4 cos square theta minus 8 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. Now it is minus 4 cos square theta minus 8 cos theta plus 5 equal to 0. Multiply with minus. It is 4 cos square theta plus 8 cos theta minus 5 equal to 0. So 4 into minus 5, 20. So it is, we can write 10 cos theta minus 2 cos theta. It is 4 cos square theta plus 10 cos theta minus 2 cos theta minus 5 equal to 0. Now take 2 cos theta common. 2 cos theta into 2 cos theta plus 5. From these two terms minus take common. Minus 1 into 2 cos theta plus 5 equal to 0. Now here, what are the factors here? 2 cos theta plus 5 into 2 cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. So it is cos theta equal to minus 5 by 2, cos theta equal to 1 by 2. Say cos theta equal to minus 5 by 2, there is no solution. So it is cos theta equal to 1 by 2. Cos theta equal to 1 by 2 means it is cos pi by 3. Now the general solution of cos theta equal to cos alpha is theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. So here theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. So option 3 is the correct answer. Question number 13. The general solution of cot theta minus tan theta equal to secant theta is. Say cot theta value is cos theta by sin theta minus tan theta value is sin theta by cos theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Take the LCM. Sin theta into cos theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Cos theta eliminate. Cos square theta value can write 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta equal to sin theta. It is 2 sin square theta plus sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in terms of sin theta. The sin theta equal to sin alpha general solution is theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha. In this form only one option is there. Only option 4 is the correct answer. Question number 14. The general solution of x for the equation 9 power cos x minus 2a into 3 power cos x plus 1 equal to 0. This is you can write 3 power cos x whole square minus 2a into 3 power cos x plus 1 equal to 0. It is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it is 3 power cos x minus 1 whole square equal to 0. 3 power cos x minus 1 equal to 0. 3 power cos x equal to 1. That implies 3 power cos x equal to 3 power 0. So here it is cos x equal to 0. We know the formula cos theta equal to 0 general solution is theta equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So option 4 is the correct. Question number 15. If 8 power 1 plus mod cos x plus mod cos square x plus mod cos cube x plus so on infinity equal to 64, comma x belongs to minus pi comma pi, the number of solutions are. See here, now 64 we can write 8 square So bases are equal. So we can write 1 plus mod cos x plus mod cos square x plus mod cos cube x plus so on equal to 2. See, it is in the form of infinite GP. So infinite GP formula is a by 1 minus r. Here a equal to 1 and r value common ratio is mod cos x equal to 2. Here 1 minus mod cos x equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 equal to mod cos x. Cos x equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Cos x equal to plus or minus 1 by 2 means x equal to pi by 3 minus pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3. In the given interval minus pi comma pi. So the number of solutions are 4. Option 4 is the correct answer.